Hi friends, what's up? This is K from 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to set emoji lock screen wallpaper on your iPhone. Modern versions of iOS come with several exciting features, and one of my favorite features is the ability to set emoji lock screen wallpaper on iPhone. This is exactly what you need to give your iPhone lock screen a more fun-loving look. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. First and foremost, you have to unlock your iPhone using Face ID or Touch ID, depending on the iPhone model that you have. After that, you have to press and hold on the lock screen to access the wallpaper gallery. Then tap on the plus button at the bottom right corner of the user interface. After that, select Emoji in the top row of options. Next, you have to choose the desired emojis to spice up the whole wallpaper. As there is no limitation at all, you can take up the lock screen wallpaper with a variety of emojis. Then tap on the X button to get rid of the menu. After that, tap on the Add button at the upper right corner of the user interface. And finally, select Set as Wallpaper to use it for both the lock screen and the home screen, or customize the home screen separately based on your preference. And that's about it. So that's how you can easily set emoji lock screen wallpaper on your iPhone. If I found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye.